In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the template in your Squarespace website. Whether you're refreshing your brand's look or just in the mood for something new, updating your website's template can be an invigorating way to enhance your online presence. So, let's explore this process step by step to ensure you get it just right. First things first, you'll need to access your Squarespace homepage. This is your starting point and where you'll manage all the nifty details of your website. Simply open your web browser and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. The key here is to see this as your command center. It controls the overall design and content features of your site. Next, navigate over to the Website section. You should see this option right on your main menu from the homepage. Think of it as the gateway to all the design elements you'll be working with. By clicking on Website on Ambos, you'll be directed to a new range of options, allowing you to zero in on the specifics you want to tweak. Once you're in the Website section, the subsequent move is to click on Styles. This is where things start getting exciting because you're stepping closer to transforming your site's visuals. The Styles page offers a variety of tweaks to help tailor and personalize existing elements of your site. This section is particularly useful when you want to adjust small details like fonts or colors, but today we're going for a bigger change, a whole new template. Now that you're in the Styles area, direct your attention to the Themes option. Themes are essentially the building blocks of your entire website's look and feel, determining the layout, design, and general vibe. From here, you can explore a gallery of themes that Squarespace offers. Each theme comes with its own unique set of features and a different presentation style, so take your time to preview them and consider what fits best with your brand or personal aesthetics. After browsing through the themes, it's time to pick one that catches your eye. Your choice should reflect the message you want your website to convey, so let your imagination lead the way. Once you've landed on that perfect theme, click on it to confirm your selection. Finally, after you've made your choice, it's crucial to hit that Save button. This action locks in your new template, and that's when your website truly transforms with the changes you've just made. Remember, saving your work is important to ensure all your adjustments are properly applied, and it's the culminating step that brings your revamped site to life. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change the template on your Squarespace website. With these steps, your site is fresh, vibrant, and ready to showcase your content in a brand new way. Happy designing and enjoy the new look.